Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, on this occasion, please allow me to stand before your pardon. Before I tell you about my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sri Suryani. I am a student of program Pasca Sarjana Negeri Malang University. Okay, let's start. In this time, my article title is The Effect of IMPE Teaching Materials to Improve Critical Thinking Skills of Elementary School Students in Social Science Lesson. Firstly, I would like to explain about the abstract. In the abstract, there are three keywords. They are critical thinking, interactive learning, and multimedia interactive. Do you know that the lack of learning media that can facilitate the learning style of students by the times result in the students being less able to use the learning material to the maximum, especially in the critical thinking skills of students in social science lesson. This study aims to describe the effect of interactive multimedia learning in class for elementary school students in social science lessons. This research used the Hanafin and Peck development model, which includes three stages, namely the first need assessment, the second design, and the third development and implementation. The research subject total 24 grade students. The data collection methods used were observation, interview, and questionnaire. The research instrument consists of a product assessment questionnaire sheet. Data analysis techniques are qualitative descriptive analysis and quantitative descriptive analysis. The feasibility testing stage of this media is done using product validation by experts. The results saw that the product validative value was very good. The, im- the, implement, the implication of this research is expected to make students become interested in the material provided and increase students' critical thinking skills. Based on the result obtained, it can be concluded this interactive multimedia learning media has a very good effect so that it can be used in the learning process and is feasible when applied to social science lesson in elementary schools. Okay, the next slide about introduction. The introduction of my article are about along with the development of increasingly sophisticated technology, there is a lot of use of media such as multimedia, including for learning media. Not many educators use interactive learning media. So it is hoped that in interactive multimedia learning, teacher or educators can utilize existing technology. Therefore, the author wants to know the extent to which teaching materials can be accessed by students independently and are also able to facilitate children diverse and interesting learning styles which will be able to improve students' critical thinking. The development of interactive learning media assisted by Canva in learning is by the current independent curriculum. It is hoped that the use of this learning media can implement of Merdeka curriculum following the national education goals by the concept of Ki Hajar Dewantoro, which requires education and teaching by the nature of the times and the natural nature of students. Okay, and the next slide about research question. Based on the background above, the research question is as follow. How is the use of interactive multimedia assisted by Canva effective increase students' critical thinking in fourth grade social studies lesson? Then I will explain about the methods. The research was carried out at SDN Kalipang 1. The sample in this case study was class 4 students. The method used was research and development or R&D. Development research is an effort to improve and implement a product, whether in the form of media, material, tools, and methods applied in the classroom, but not to test theory. The model used in the Hanafin and Peck development model. This model consists of only three stages so that it will be easier to understand and develop in a short time, but with evaluation and revision at each stage. This development model will continue to move in the desired direction. The Hanafin and Peck model consists of three steps, including need assessment, design, and development and implementation, and at each stage through an evaluation and revision process. And about the result, depend on the table product validity test result consists of subject tests, validity result in percent, and also qualification. In number one about subject content expert test, there are 92.8. The qualification is very good. Number two, about learning design expert test, there are 92.8. The qualification is very good. Number three, about media expert test, there are 93.1. The qualification is very good. Number four, about individual trial, there are 94.2. The qualification is very good. And the last about small group trial. There are 89.75 and the qualification is good. From all the findings that have been presented, this research implies that the learning media developed has a very good role in providing cultural diversity learning in teaching social studies material content because this media can be very varied and interactive learning so that students will be more interested and not bored following the learning provide while increasing students critical thinking skills. Okay, and the last slide about conclusion. The review result of subject content expert, learning media expert, individual trials, and small group trials receive very good qualification. The interactive media developed is valid and feasible to use learning. This indicates that the effect of interactive multimedia is very good to be used in learning social studies in elementary school. I think that's all. I hope the implementation multimedia interactive learning in teaching lesson can be used to increase the effectiveness of the learning process and facilitate different learning styles of students. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.